Show me now I am the strongest.
Let's have a competition, a fight.
Kind of fight with a sword.
No, silly, with a spoon. Put the spoon in your mouth and hit me on my head. Now it's my turn. I put the spoon in my mouth and 1, 2, and 3.
You are the strongest clown.
Yes, I am the strongest clown in the world.
Very funny. Thank you, Farhan and Ismael. Let's have a good time with Maria, Eider, and Ollane.
Do you know the story about Adam and Eve? No. Well, Adam and Eve and Pygmy went down to the river to bathe. Adam and Eve was drowning. Who do you think was safe? Adam and Eve. I know, Pygmy. Pichu. Good idea. Ouch! Do you know the story of Pygmy, Punch Me, and Rather My Toes? No. Pinch me and punch me and tell my toes went down to the river to bathe. 2 or 3 was drowning. Who do you think was safe? Well, not pinch me, not punch me. I know, tread on my toes. Rat on your toes. Good idea. Ouch, come here.
Well, I was sending to Coco. How do you like 4 elephants in a car?
I don't know. She doesn't know.
2 in the back and 2 in the front, of course.
Haha, very funny.
And how do you get 4 giraffes in a car?
2 in the front and 2 in the back.
No, silly, the car is already full of elephants.
Amazing, now we're getting Naroa and the silly magic trick.
Would you like to see a magic trick?
Yes, of course.
Here I have a small plate, a coin, and a handkerchief.
What are you going to do?
You put the plate on the handkerchief and the coin on the floor.
Put the plate in the handkerchief and the coin on the floor. Spaghettis!
What? No, no, no. Put the plate on the handkerchief and the coin on the floor.
Put the plate in the handkerchief and the coin on the floor. Okay, like this.
This is the most important part of the trick. Now fold the handkerchief tightly, very tightly.
Like this.
Very good. Now stop on the coin 3 times.
1, 2, 3.
What are you doing?
See you, I'm going to catch you.
Thank you, Irene and Naroa.
Now I ask you to welcome our famous magician in the world. First, Xavier Lander and the guest in the card trick.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, now for our trick. For this trick, we need 1 volunteer. Is there a volunteer? What's your name? Well, now, here you have Sunday and cash.
Now I go out, you choose a card, and when I come, I get the card. Do you understand? Yes. Okay, 1 minute.
Are you ready? Now, choose 1 card and that with your finger. Lander, one, this one, this one, this one, this one, or this one. Let me concentrate. This one, I think it's this one. Yes!
Amazing! Let's welcome Inigo and Urko and their chairs trip.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, now for our trick. We need 3 chairs and a volunteer to do this trick.
Here we have 3 chairs. Now we need a volunteer. Is there a volunteer? What's your name?
Now my partner is going to blindfold me with this dark scarf.
Move to the front.
Here we have 3 chairs. Number 1, number 2, and number 3. And sit down, please. Inigo, can you guess which chair is sitting the volunteer on? Come on, you can do it.
Silence, please. I need to concentrate. The volunteer sitting on chair number 2.
Very good. Now Ekani is going to do something incredible with his scarf.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, now for my group. Here I have this beautiful scarf. Now I'm going to pass it through my neck. Do you believe that? Your attention, please. Amazing! Now let's welcome to Eldora's scarf trick.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, now for my trick. Here I have a pack of cards. Not an ordinary pack of cards, an enormous pack. Now I'm going to take the top of the card and show it to you. All you see the card? Yes. Now I'm going to put it back. And now I'm going to put it up. Now we need magic words. Abracadabra, tap, tap, tap. Card come back to the top of the card. What is the card? Incredible! Now Iker David and his lost and found trick.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, now for my trick. Here I have a pack of cards, an enormous pack of cards. Have you all seen it?
Yes.
Okay, and here I have 3 jacks. Have you all seen it? Okay, now I will start with the trick. I need a volunteer. You, yes. What's your name? Okay, thank you, Amaya. Now, put 1 jack on the top of the pack of cards. Mr. Another in the top and another in the bottom. And now cut. Okay. The jacks are lost. Now I'm going to find them. Here they are. 1, 2,
Now for my trick. Here I have a magic box. Look, it's empty. And here I have a card. Now I'm going to put the card in the box. And with my magic words, the card is going to disappear. Abracadabra, abracadabra, card disappeared. The card is disappeared. Magic. Shall I make to reappear? Your attention, please. Abracadabra, abracadabra, card, come here. The card is... The card is here again. Magic.
Now another piece.
Magic boxes. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, now for my trick. Here I have 3 boxes and 1 piece of paper. First, I put the boxes together. And now I put the boxes on the table. Next, I put 1 piece of paper on the red box. Then I place the other boxes on top. And the piece of paper is going to pass the red box. Quiet, please, I need to concentrate. Abracadabra. Abracadabra, abracadabra. Paper pass the box.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, finally we are very happy to present our wonderful singers and dancers. Let's hear a big hand.